and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. It is the end of the month, which means it is time for another favorites video, and this is just going to be my June 2021 favorites. If you've missed any of my past favorites videos, I will have them all listed in a playlist down below for you guys, so be sure to go check them out. And as always, I will try to leave as many of the products mentioned in this video listed down below in case you guys are interested in purchasing any of them. And without further ado, let's get started. So with everything, I did my best to put it into different categories like I usually do. This first category is everything that is like fashion and beauty and hair care related, and there are 6 items. The first one is this bag, which you may or may not have seen here on my channel. This is just a sea bag, and it is made out of recycled sails, and these are actually made right here in Maine, and I got this for Christmas of 2019, and mine is just the little purse size with the clip, and obviously it just has an anchor with a bunch of breast cancer ribbons. I do not believe you can actually get this same one right now, but Seabags has a ton of other different designs you can get, and you can even customize them. They are a little bit on the pricey side, but they are 100% worth it. They are so sturdy, they hold up, and you can literally use them for anything. My favorite thing to do is use them for summer, because since they are made of a recycled sail, you can literally throw your wet swimsuit in here, and it won't ruin the bag or anything. Another thing I've also been using a ton this month, now that it is summer, is bug spray, and I believe I featured the full size of this bug spray last summer as well. There are only a few bug sprays out there that I can actually use that do not cause me to break out in hives, and this is one of them. I actually already have one of these opened, however I cannot find it for the life of me right now, so I went ahead and grabbed the unopened one. This is just from the brand Cutter, and it is their Skinsations insect repellent with aloe and vitamin E, and this one is just the little pocket size one. I usually keep this in my bag that I take with me to the beach and to the lake and everything like that, and I know they sell these on Amazon. However, you can easily find these at Lowe's and Home Depot, and on the back it just says it repels mosquitoes, ticks, biting flies, gnats, no-see-ums, chiggers, and fleas. I've been using this literally since I was little, and it works great. Next up is a piece of clothing, and if you've seen my summer clothing and makeup haul, then you've already seen a version of this, and it is just this dress. This one is just pink with white stripes, and it is a tiered sundress that is a great bathing suit cover-up as well as just a fun sundress. And in my summer haul, I had shown you guys the one that is navy blue with white stripes, and mentioned in that video that I was probably going to go back to Marshall's and find the second color because I loved the dress so much, and that's exactly what I did. I went back out to Marshall's and was lucky enough to get the last one in my size. I've also been using another product from my summer haul, and it is these Ponytails. These are just like jelly elastics, and I actually got them at Dollar Tree. They are sports ponytails. A lot of the times they are way overpriced. However, I was able to get a pack of 3 of these for $1. I ended up actually getting 2. If you want to see both packs, you can go watch my summer haul, but these work great. My hair doesn't get tangled in them, and even with a tight ponytail, they do not give me a headache, which I really like. And this next product is the last product that I will be mentioning in reference to my summer haul, but I also included this. This is just a hand sanitizer. It is the EOS Shea Better Hydrating Hand Sanitizer in Pomegranate Raspberry. I absolutely love this hand sanitizer. I mentioned that I got it at Kohl's because it was on sale. I absolutely love this stuff. It is in like a really sleek bottle, and it just has the pump, and when you first put this on, it does smell like a regular straight up alcohol hand sanitizer. However, once it dries, it definitely has the pomegranate raspberry scent to it, and I love it. I also really like that it is moisturizing because my hands are so dry because of the amount of times that I wash my hands and use hand sanitizer, and this just makes it so I do not have to go and put lotion on my hands right after. And lastly, for this category is a scent. I also included a scent in last month's video, and it was the Good Chemistry Pink Palm scent, which is one of my absolute favorite summer scents. And another scent that I've been using this month that I also really like is from Pink. It is just Pink Fresh and Clean. I got this as a gift from a friend, and I actually used to use this scent back in high school. I am now 26, just for a reference, and I loved it back then. And flash forward till now, I still really like it. As the name suggest it is just a fresh and clean scent. It definitely has an underlying floral scent to it, but I absolutely love it. I think it is a really great summer scent. And I also like the fact that it is in such a small bottle and it's plastic so it won't break, which means I can throw it in my bag and take it on the go with me if needed. And like my scent from last month, this is another one of those scents that I get a lot of compliments on and people asking me what scent it actually is. Moving on, the next three products are all, I guess you would classify them as drinkware products. They are all cups and water bottles and things like that. And the first one are these tumblers. These are just from the brand Tall, and I found these at Walmart. I believe they were $5.88, which is a steal because it does come with 4 tumblers along with 4 lids and 4 straws. And these are color changing cups, so when you put a cold beverage in them, they do in fact change color. I literally stocked up on these and got a bunch of packs because if you've been on my channel, you know that for Christmas and my birthday, I did get a Cricut, and I have been making a ton of cold cups for this summer for my friends and family and myself, and I've been using these cups, and they're basically the same exact thing as the Starbucks color changing cups. However, they do not have the Starbucks logo on them, and in a way I really like that because you can literally put decals all over it without having to worry about them wrapping around the Starbucks logo properly. The next product I actually cannot show you. I will go ahead and insert a clip of what it looks like, but it is a hydro flask, and as we know, I'm always mentioning water bottles here on my channel. However, the one water bottle that I've never had is a hydro flask, and now that I think of it, I haven't had a Yeti either, but I've always wanted a hydro flask, and I was actually on TikTok last month, and some girl put a TikTok up saying she got a hydro flask for $15.99 at TJ Maxx. So you know what I did? I went over to the TJ Maxx website and I got one for $15.99, and normally this one in particular is around $32, so I did save a ton. And it is just the 16-ounce coffee one, and it is in the color watermelon, which is one of Hydro Flask's discontinued colors. And a lot of people on that TikTok kept saying how they would go to the TJ Maxx website and not be able to find it, but the key is to not put in Hydro Flask in the search bar. The key is to just put water bottle, and if you put water bottle, it was the first thing that came up. And the last cup is this mug. It is just a Raccoon Coffee Mug from Walmart, and it is adorable. Raccoons are hands down one of my absolute favorite animals, and I do not actually use this for coffee because I'm too scared that I will break it. It is just a ceramic mug, and it definitely seems like it could break easily. So I've actually just put this on a shelf and I put things in it like flowers. And then my last favorite for the month is a food, and it is just the new Klondike shakes in a pouch. I had never seen these up until last month when I was at the grocery store and I saw these and thought it was the coolest thing ever. You take it out 3 to 5 minutes before you want to eat it, and then you just kind of like squeeze it. I actually have eaten them all, so I don't have one to show you, but if you've seen the squeezable applesauce pouches, it comes in something like that. It is definitely bigger than the applesauce pouches though, and they are the perfect summer treat for sure. And currently they have 3 flavors. They have sit back and strawberry, chill out and vanilla, and wind down and chocolate. Obviously this one is the chocolate one. It is hands down my favorite. In terms of nutritional facts, there are only 4 grams of fat, 20 grams of carbs, 9 grams of sugar, and 3 grams of protein, and there are only 120 calories, and these pouches are a good decent size. So those are just my favorites for the month of June. Be sure to let me know in the comments down below what your favorites have been for the month. Also, while you guys are down there, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you are not already. I upload new content regularly and would love it if you would become part of our little family. Also, be sure to hit the bell so that you are in fact notified every time I do upload a new video. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!